Welcome to step 6 of the buyer steps to purchasing, completing the inspection objection. In step 5, we talked about having the home and the roof inspected. Now, what do we do with the information now that we have it? In this step, we'll discuss what an inspection objection is and what to expect when writing the inspection objection. The inspection objection is a Colorado contract, which is the buyer's request to the seller to make repairs to the property, normally before the closing date and at the seller's expense. Now let's talk about what a buyer's typical request might be. This is the time to take a look at the inspection report. Hopefully, you went to the inspection and spoke to the inspector, so you'll have first-hand knowledge of the condition of the property. When thinking about what to ask the seller to fix, let's be serious and think about what's really important. If the roof inspection came back showing damage, that's a serious problem because now we are looking at a potential issue of insurability, meaning you may not be able to secure homeowner's insurance if it's badly damaged. In Colorado, we have hailstorms, and sometimes they cause massive damage to the roof, and the roof will need to be replaced. This is why I suggested having the roofing contractor there for the inspection in my last video. So if you missed step 5, go back and watch that one. Your realtor will be able to give the listing agent a heads up that the seller may have an insurance claim to file. Informing them right away can help keep the closing timeline right on track. Often being proactive means the new roof will be on the house before the closing date. My wife and I personally just had this experience. We bought a second home out of state and had a home inspection. Our realtor ordered a professional roof inspection as well. The roofer discovered some damage and the seller filed a claim. This was a big win for us because not only did we get to choose a new roof and gutters, we got to choose the colors as well. And now we know our investment's safe, and that's peace of mind. If you find this information valuable, please click like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Next, think about other serious items, like water. Did the inspector find any leaks under the sinks, tubs, showers, or on the water heater? Was there previous water damage found that have been repaired? It can be helpful to have the seller's property disclosure handy at this time. A seller's property disclosure is also a Colorado contract. It's the seller's opportunity to disclose any issues that are currently present or that previously existed. It also lets them disclose the dates of repairs and the ages of the systems and appliances. Next, we could look at cleanliness and cosmetics. Sometimes buyers will request the HVAC system be cleaned and serviced. And another request could be to have a professional cleaning before the closing day. A list of requests could easily become extensive, so I won't try to list everything, and I suggest you shouldn't either, unless it's a deal breaker. Sure, you can make any request, but then it's all in the seller's hands. They can decide to agree to some, none, or all of your requests, so you want to be sure to ask for the most important items. Think about it this way. If you deliver a long list of both important items and cosmetic items, the seller could choose to reattach the toilet roll holder or have the house professionally cleaned, but not agree to fix the leak on the water heater or replace a broken oven, since they're spending the money already on minor items that you requested. If you think for a minute, hey, I can fix that after closing myself or have it done inexpensively, maybe just leave it off the list and stick to the very important items that affect the livability of the home. Houses need to be maintained consistently, so give the seller some grace. Yeah, maybe they did let some small things go, and you can easily and inexpensively get those items up to date yourself. You want to get the most of what you ask for and move forward with the transaction, so give the seller every reason to say yes to your request. And we'll move on to step 7, the inspection resolution. If the Chambers Group can personally help you, there's a link in the description and pinned in the comments. We'd love to be of service.